The cosmos beckons. Stars like distant diamonds litter the night sky, each one a sun, perhaps with planets of its own. Could one of these worlds be our next home, a second chance for humanity? The idea is both exhilarating and daunting. Can we, a species with a history of both innovation and destruction, do better on a new world? The search for exoplanets has revealed a staggering diversity of worlds, but among them a precious few might harbor the conditions for life as we know it. These are the worlds that capture our imagination, the ones that make us wonder if we could start anew. Our journey begins on Earth, a planet teeming with life. For millennia, humans lived in relative harmony with nature. We were hunter-gatherers, relying on the land for sustenance. Our impact was minimal, our footprint light. But as we progressed, our relationship with Earth changed. We developed agriculture, built cities, and harnessed the power of fossil fuels. Our ingenuity knew no bounds, but neither did our impact on the planet. Deforestation, pollution, and climate change became the hallmarks of our progress. Yet amidst the destruction there were glimmers of hope. We created national parks, passed environmental protection laws, and developed renewable energy sources. We began to understand the interconnectedness of all living things and the need for sustainable practices. The story of humanity on Earth is a tapestry of triumph and tragedy. We are capable of both great ingenuity and reckless destruction. As we look to the stars, we must ask ourselves, which side of our nature will prevail? Technology, a double-edged sword. It has fueled our progress and amplified our impact on Earth, but it can also be harnessed to create a more sustainable future, both on Earth and beyond. Space exploration itself is a testament to our technological prowess. Imagine terraforming, the process of transforming a hostile planet into a habitable one. Advanced technologies could be used to engineer atmospheres, create bodies of water, and regulate temperatures. We could, in essence, create a second Earth, tailored to our needs, but such power comes with tremendous responsibility. The potential for unintended consequences is enormous. We must proceed with caution, guided by ethical considerations and a deep understanding of the delicate balance of planetary ecosystems. The technology that will carry us to the stars can also help us heal our home planet. From renewable energy to sustainable agriculture, we have the tools to create a more sustainable future. The question is, will we use them? There is a growing awareness of our impact on the environment. From the halls of government to the streets of our cities, people are demanding action on climate change and environmental degradation. This shift in consciousness is perhaps the most hopeful sign as we contemplate our future in space. The challenges of colonizing another planet are immense. We will need to develop closed-loop systems for resource management, minimize waste, and find ways to coexist with any indigenous life. These challenges will require a level of environmental responsibility far greater than anything we have achieved on Earth. This new era of environmental consciousness is not just about saving Earth. It's about fundamentally changing our relationship with the natural world. It's about understanding that we are part of a larger ecosystem, not apart from it. This shift in perspective is essential if we are to become responsible stewards of other worlds. The lessons we learn from protecting our own planet will be invaluable as we venture into the cosmos. We must carry this newfound wisdom with us, for it may hold the key to our long-term survival as a species. Section 5. The challenges of colonization, a planetary perspective. The challenges of colonizing another planet are not just technological, they are also deeply philosophical. What does it mean to inhabit another world? What are our ethical obligations to any life we may encounter? These questions strike at the heart of what it means to be human. The environments of other planets will be vastly different from our own. We will need to adapt to new atmospheres, gravities, and levels of radiation. The challenges of food production, waste management, and resource extraction will be immense. Moreover, we must consider the ethical implications of our actions. Do we have the right to claim another planet as our own? What if that planet already harbors life, even in its simplest forms? These are not easy questions, but they are questions we must grapple with before we embark on interstellar colonization. Our history on Earth is a cautionary tale. We have often prioritized short-term gain over long-term sustainability. If we are to avoid repeating these mistakes on another planet, we must proceed with humility, respect, and a deep understanding of the interconnectedness of all things. Section 6. Lessons from science fiction visions of the future. Science fiction has long been a testing ground for ideas about the future. From the dystopian worlds of Blade Runner to the hopeful vision of Star Trek, science fiction explores the potential consequences of our choices and the challenges of colonizing other planets. In Dune, Frank Herbert paints a vivid picture of a planet ravaged by ecological disaster, forcing humanity to adapt and find new ways to survive. The film serves as a stark reminder of the importance of environmental stewardship and the dangers of exploiting natural resources. The Martian, on the other hand, offers a more optimistic view of human ingenuity and our ability to overcome seemingly insurmountable challenges. Stranded on Mars, an astronaut uses his scientific knowledge and resourcefulness to survive and eventually return home. These stories, though fictional, offer valuable lessons about the human condition and the importance of careful planning, scientific understanding, and ethical decision-making as we venture into the cosmos. Section 7. Real-life space exploration, baby steps to the stars. Our journey to the stars has already begun. From the early days of the space race to the International Space Station, we have made remarkable progress in understanding the challenges of living and working in space. The Apollo missions, a testament to human ingenuity and courage, taught us valuable lessons about the complexities of space travel and the importance of meticulous planning. The images of Earthrise, a blue and white marble suspended in the vastness of space, inspired a generation and highlighted the fragility of our planet. The International Space Station, a symbol of international collaboration, has allowed us to study the long-term effects of space travel on the human body and to conduct experiments in microgravity. These findings are crucial as we prepare for longer-duration missions to the Moon, Mars, and beyond. While we are still far from colonizing other planets, these early steps are essential. They are laying the foundation for a future where humanity may one day live and thrive among the stars. Section 8. Learning from our past, shaping our future. The question remains, can we manage another planet better than Earth? The answer lies not in our technology, but in ourselves. Can we learn from our past mistakes and make wiser choices in the future? We have the knowledge, the technology, and the growing awareness to create a more sustainable future. But it will require a fundamental shift in our values. A recognition that we are not conquerors of nature, but rather part of a delicate web of life. We must prioritize long-term thinking over short-term gain, cooperation over competition, and a deep respect for the natural world. If we can embrace these values, then perhaps, just perhaps, we can create a future where humanity not only survives, but thrives among the stars. The choice is ours. We can choose to repeat the mistakes of the past, or we can choose to learn from them and forge a new path, one that leads to a brighter future for ourselves and for all life in the universe. Section 9. Conclusion, a second chance or a repeat performance. As we stand on the precipice of a new era of space exploration, the question of whether we can manage another planet better than Earth hangs heavy in the balance. The answer ultimately lies within each of us. We are a species capable of both great ingenuity and reckless destruction. Our history on Earth is a testament to this duality. We have achieved remarkable technological advancements, but at a significant cost to our planet. Yet, amidst the challenges, there is hope. A growing awareness of our interconnectedness with the natural world is taking root. We're beginning to understand that our actions have consequences, not just for ourselves, but for all life on Earth and potentially beyond. The exploration and potential colonization of other planets offer a unique opportunity, a chance to start anew, to learn from our past mistakes and create a more sustainable future. But this requires more than just technological prowess. It demands a fundamental shift in our values and our relationship with the natural world. The cosmos beckons, offering us a mirror to reflect upon ourselves and the choices that lie ahead. Will we repeat the mistakes of the past? Or will we seize this opportunity to create a future worthy of our dreams and aspirations? The answer, my friends, is up to us.